Hi there, welcome to my video on the Thinkific Empire theme. This video is going to continue off of the last video and talk specifically about the jet theme, the jet color style in the Empire theme. Now, this is sort of like a lesson into color psychology. The way you want to think about choosing a style is really thinking about your brand. And you want to think about, even if you don't really know what your brand is, think about who you're trying to serve, who you're trying to appeal, and think about how does that mesh with who you are as an individual. Remember, business and who you are individually sort of go hand in hand. Sometimes we want to sort of separate them, but I think it's important to sort of merge them to sort of help us think about who we're representing and who we want to convey in our business. So if you think about this jet theme, this green, it's more like a dark green. It's like a forest green. And really, forest green has a different sort of message and audience in business. So if you think about forest green, it's a little bit darker. It's a little bit more serious looking. Even this photo here and this image of an executive really conveys more executive level business. It's more corporate. It's more sleek. It's more serious. So if you're thinking about whether the jet style is right for you, does this really fit your audience? Like imagine and put yourself in the shoes and head of someone who comes to your website and they see this color and they see, that doesn't really reflect the personality of the person behind this business. The person who's behind this business is more fun, more laid back, not dressed up in a suit. So if that's sort of, kind of a way to sort of approach this. And then if you look further, this image and this banner, the surrounding color of this forest green, it's very, very business and very corporate. It's very executive level. And if your brand doesn't appeal to an executive level audience, this may not be the color and style for you. Because if you keep looking down, it's very dark colors. So you see the forest green matches like a dark navy. And the dark navy continues to sort of blend in with very like a darker teal color. And so these color schemes sort of match the audience of a very corporate executive level decision maker. Think about finance. This is very button up serious and it's very, very, very high level business and not really more of a fun kind of lighthearted person. They're very much corporate and they're very much, business and looking at top-down leadership. And even this image of a male former CEO kind of reflects this kind of style. That this guy, he's serious and he's fun, but he's very business-oriented. And so if you want to choose this theme, remember everything about the color is more on the darker end and it's less of a fun kind of business. And it's a more, very professional, very executive level structure. And so this is different than if you look at the halo, whereas halo is more light, it's more clean, it's more simple, it's more open and airy. So that's sort of like the distinction I want to say and help you understand for your business is that jet conveys more executive level business and halo is business, but it's also more open, it's more airy, it's more lighthearted. It's very modern without sort of being sort of stuck up. Halo is more open-minded, sort of like open to change, being in flow, and it's just light and airy. And jet, dark, is very New York style, kind of serious. So that's sort of a short introduction to the jet style and sort of why jet could be suitable for certain types of businesses versus others. And so the main point that I want to leave you with is to think about who you're serving and sort of get into the psychology of who they are, and how do they see you. If they see this image, does this kind of image and color represent the kind of personality that you exude in your videos, in your emails, in your tone? All that really blends together to sort of help you think about that personal brand. So I hope that was helpful. Leave a comment or question if you want to know more. Have a great day.